priorities. I'm Tammy, the Glam Queen of DIY, and welcome back to my channel. And today I am co-hosting the Don't Frown on Brown Tablescape. But before we jump into this Tablescape, if you're not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, why don't you hit that subscribe button, tap that bell twice so you'll know when I am uploading a video. And you may be asking yourself, what is it that is offered at Glam Queen of DIY? Well, on this channel, you'll get high-end unconventional DIYs, glam and over-the-top tablescapes, a few revamps, home decor, and a little renovation as well. If this sounds interesting, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, everyone. If you want to see what I created for this Don't Frown on Brown Tablescape, continue. All right, Royal Family. Today I'm co-hosting the Don't Frown on Brown Tablescape. Now, this Don't Frown on Brown Tablescape is hosted by Marilyn from Fabulous Designs on a Budget. It is also co-hosted by myself and the lovely, creatively MsMe with Stephanie. Please check out their videos. Now, to everyone, I'm going to include the playlist link for this collaboration so you can see what the other wonderful, fabulous content creators did create. Now, for this, we just had to create a brown theme or brown color theme, whatever. We just had to have brown in the tablescape. So, without further ado, I'm finna let you see what the Glam Queen did create for my rendition of the Don't Frown on Brown. It is the brown and gold explosion. I'll let you see what I created.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
All right, everyone. For my Don't Frown on Brown Tablescape, I started by layering my table with this, and these again are gold curtains that I laid my table with. All 6, and this is a 6 setting here. All 6 settings are this time exactly identical with the exception of one thing, well, 2 things. And I'm going to let you know what that is shortly. On my ends, which all 4 ends are the same, I started with that gold charger, that brown plate, that brown napkin with that gold floral napkin. I have my silver and black utensils. And I got my utensils in semi-traditional form. I got my brown top glass with my water glass. And again, all 4 ends on both sides are completely the same. Now here's what's different. When you get to my centers and my ends, if I set this way, I do differently. But the only thing different is I got that round clustered napkin ring, followed by that scooped wine glass. But other than that, everything is the same. Now both centers are the same. Now let's start with this centerpiece. I begun with my brown tablecloth. My brown table runner, and this is a Dollar Tree table runner. I use my 3-tiered candle holders, and they're slightly different on each side, but I like symmetry. So, and this is a DIY. Be on the lookout for this video coming in a couple of days in that 12 Days of Christmas series. But I just layered it and popped in some of my gold picks. And again, they're slightly different, but they give me that same symmetry. Now the centerpiece, I started with my mirror from Michaels, followed by my 3-piece candle holder. I have an acorn, and I highlighted several acorns. I got 2 vases next to that centerpiece with those gold sprays. And that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my Don't Frown on Brown Tablescape. And once again, family, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the other 2 host videos, as well as the lovely participants inside of that playlist link. Alright, and again, if you're not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, hit that subscribe button. Alright, I hope you did enjoy what I created. Be on the lookout for some of these DIYs that is actually on the table inside of my 12 Days of Christmas series coming around the middle, starting the middle of November. So be on the lookout for that. But that's it, guys. I do hope you enjoyed it. I'm actually loving the brown look with the table, with the gold. I hope you do as well. Drop me a comment and let me know what you like best about the table. Alright. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know what time it is. You know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive. And stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye, everyone. Stay blessed and always stay positive. And don't forget, don't frown on brown. Y'all have a wonderful day.